I have the Peplink SIM Injector Mini hardware revision 1 here that I'm going to unbox. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Peplink always covers their hardware in a thin white fabric, so we'll unwrap that first. Immediately, I can tell the device is very small. It also looks very similar to their BR1 mini router. On the front side, we have all our ports and status lights. From the left, we have the SIM indicator lights that show whether there is a SIM in the associated slot. To the right of that, we have the status LED, which tells us if the SIM injector is booted up. Below that is a reset button, which you can see just above the circular arrow icon. Next is the Ethernet port that also provides PoE input with support for 802.3at. On the far right is the DC power input, and at the bottom we have our 8 SIM slots that are protected by a metal cover. As you can see, there's nothing on the other sides of the hardware. Only in the bottom has the device's manufacturer label, which includes its serial number. Moving on, we also have a Peplink branded Velcro cable tie, and then the power supply. This is a standard 12-volt, 2-amp supply with a 4-pin connector. That's everything you get in the box with the Peplink SIM Injector Mini hardware revision 1. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe if you're interested in more videos like this.